Have you ever felt like you're being toyed with in a relationship? One day, they're deeply into you, and the next, it's as if you barely exist. The emotional roller coaster can be exhausting and leave you questioning your self-worth. The truth is, these emotional games are more common than you think, and they're designed to keep you confused, insecure, and hooked. But here's the good news: you can outsmart them. In this video, we'll dive deep into why people play emotional games in relationships, how to spot the subtle signs of manipulation early, and most importantly, how to regain control using timeless wisdom, emotional intelligence, and a steadfast commitment to self-respect. This isn't just about winning the game, it's about opting out of the game entirely and protecting your peace of mind. Welcome to Crypto Stoic Insights, your hub for navigating life's challenges through philosophy, history, and practical wisdom. Why people play games in relationships? Why do some people engage in these manipulative behaviors? To understand how to outsmart emotional games, we first need to understand their motivations. Insecurity and fear of vulnerability. For many, emotional games are a defense mechanism. They've been hurt before, and rather than risk being vulnerable, they keep others at arm's length by confusing them. It's their way of staying in control while avoiding emotional exposure. Seeking validation. Some people thrive on attention. They crave the thrill of being pursued and use games as a way to boost their ego. Unfortunately, they're more interested in how much you care about them than in forming a genuine connection. Power and control. For others, it's about maintaining the upper hand. They'll pull you close and push you away, keeping you off balance so you're always the one chasing. This dynamic feeds their sense of power in the relationship. Understanding these motivations isn't about excusing bad behavior. It's about equipping yourself with the knowledge to protect your heart and navigate relationships with clarity. Recognizing the signs of emotional games. The sooner you identify emotional games, the sooner you can protect yourself. Here are some key signs to watch out for. Hot and cold behavior. One moment, they're deeply invested, showering you with attention. The next, they're distant or dismissive. This inconsistency keeps you guessing and hooked. Mixed signals. They say one thing but do another. For example, they might talk about a future together but avoid making real commitments. The silent treatment. They withdraw communication to punish you or make you chase them. This tactic plays on your fear of abandonment. Creating jealousy. They bring up other people or flirt openly to make you feel insecure, keeping you in a constant state of competition. Shifting blame. When you address your concerns, they deflect or make it seem like you're overreacting, leaving you doubting your own feelings. These behaviors are designed to confuse and control you. But the good news is, you don't have to play along. Outsmarting the games with Stoic wisdom. Here's where the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy comes in. The Stoics were masters of emotional resilience, teaching us how to stay grounded even in the face of chaos. Control what you can. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Don't let someone else's behavior dictate your emotions. When you stay calm and composed, you take away their power to control you. Detach from the outcome. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Stop overthinking and analyzing their every move. Instead, focus on your own growth and well-being. Set boundaries with confidence. Epictetus advised, know what you can control and what you cannot. Respect yourself enough to establish clear boundaries. If someone disrespects them, be prepared to walk away. Practical steps to outsmart emotional games. Now that we've laid the foundation, here's how to put these principles into action. Detach emotionally. When someone tries to play games, take a step back. Observe their behavior without reacting impulsively. Communicate directly. Address the issue calmly and assertively. Ask questions like, "What are you looking for in this relationship?" Their response will reveal whether they're genuine or just playing. Refuse to engage. Don't mirror their behavior. If they pull back, don't chase. Maintain your composure and let your actions show that you're not easily manipulated. Focus on self-improvement. Invest your time and energy into your own growth. Whether it's pursuing a passion, hitting the gym, or learning a new skill, a fulfilled life is the best armor against emotional games. Walk away when necessary. If their behavior persists, recognize that you deserve better. Walking away isn't weakness, it's strength. It shows you value your peace over their games. A new perspective on strength and relationships. Outsmarting someone playing games isn't about stooping to their level or seeking revenge. It's about reclaiming your peace and choosing self-respect over drama. The true victory lies in realizing that you don't need to play their game. When you focus on your own growth and happiness, you'll attract healthier, more fulfilling relationships. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Crypto Stoic Insights. Here, we combine ancient wisdom and modern insights to help you navigate life's toughest challenges. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and share your thoughts in the comments. What strategies have you used to deal with emotional manipulation? Your story might inspire someone else to take back control. Remember, your heart is your most valuable asset. Protect it with wisdom, respect, and strength. Emotional games have no place in your life when you embrace your power and choose peace over chaos. Join us next time on Crypto Stoic Insights, where we continue exploring timeless philosophies and practical tools for a better life.